Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central. In today's video, we are out at C&G Mobile Homes in Lake City, Florida. Today, we're going to be touring this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, multi-section Destiny Home manufactured home. Now, on this channel, this will be our first time ever touring a Destiny Home manufactured home. So, with that being said, let's start the tour. So as you can see right here on the outside, you have this gorgeous curb appeal. I really love this, those shingles right there over the door. And then you have the board and batten vertical where the windows are. And then you have the dormer. That's right, the dormer above the front door. So, all right, so let's take a real quick look around the outside and then we'll go inside. All right, so this is the back of the home, you guys. The rear elevation. We get you all a good idea. And of course you have your plug-in outlet right there, and then you have your outdoor water spigot right there. So very nice. All right, so let's go inside and let's see what we can cover. This is your foyer area. Nice dedicated foyer. I would definitely put like an entry table right there. You could put you some accessories right there. So very nice. Also to have 2 recessed lights as well. And then you also have your air vents in the ceiling. All right, let's turn around. All right, so over here is your living room. You have a nice big living room. And one thing I noticed in the living room area, you have your beams in the ceiling. Look at that. And you have a very nice contemporary fireplace too, with electric fireplace. And it has a full sheetrock surrounding it. Get y'all a second to look at that. There you go. Another look at the living room. And they have a really nice big sectional sofa in here too. So get y'all a slow pan of this. Again, this is a Destiny home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, multi-section home. As I find out more information about it, I will insert it throughout the video and of course in the description. All right, so here's your dining room area. Plenty of space in your dining room. You have a nice glass patio sliding door right there too. So you can add like a deck or a patio onto your manufactured home if you choose to do so. Very nice dining room. I really like how they decorate their homes. Really love it. It really gives you a good idea of what you can do with your home once you purchase it. All right, let's check out the kitchen area. So this is your kitchen. You have your nice peninsula right there. Nice size peninsula. Now they have 2 chairs right here, but you could definitely put 4 chairs. Or even 5 if you really wanted to. You got plenty of drawer space. Of course, you have your pendant lights in the ceiling too, so, and recessed lighting. All right, let's look over here. Of course, you got more additional drawer space and cabinet space. All right. You have this nice big window that you can look out of while you're doing the dishes in your stainless steel farmhouse sink. And of course, it has a gooseneck faucet too, so see? It goes right back out, goes right back in. Again, I love these windows right here. You put like plants and flowers and all that good stuff up here. And they gave a very good example of that right there. Okay. Let's look over here. You have your stove area. Stainless steel appliances. Smooth top stove range. I think these are frigid air appliance package. Yep, exactly what they are. All right, let's open a couple of cabinets here. Nice cabinet space. And then more additional countertop space right there. And then of course you got space up there to put your decorations and decor. And I like the cutout right there where near the front door entrance right there. So, you know, if you have like a lot of groceries and that good stuff, all you have to do is simply come in and come right into the kitchen and sit your groceries right here on the countertop, and then you can put them away. Very, very nice and very clever. And of course you got cabinet space right here. All right, I wonder what this is. All right, so you have a little pantry space right here. Plenty of cabinet space. Excuse me, pantry space. Plenty of storage space in your pantry. It's not the largest pantry, but it's very adequate. Because, you know, the cabinets here all these cabinets here in the kitchen, they really make up for all the space. So, it's a very nice, very well thought out kitchen. All right, so let's go check out some bedrooms. All right, so this is your hallway. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, so this would be your hallway guest bathroom. Look at that. Nice hallway bathroom. And you have like a cabinet right here too. I like that. So far, Destiny, they really made a very nice manufactured home. And of course, you have your mirror and your vanity lighting. Love the tile backsplash, and as well as this porcelain sink. And of course you have cabinet space right there. Of course you have your air vent, you have your exhaust vent. Let's look over here. So you have your commode space right there, obviously. And you have some hooks right here too. So hang like your bath towel and your bathrobe. And look here, you guys, you have a garden tub shower combination. So this is actually a garden tub. It's a rectangle shaped garden tub. And as you see, it's very smooth and very easy to keep clean and maintain. Of course, you have your shower head and you have your transom window. Very nice bathroom though, very nice. All right, let's check out this bedroom right here. So this is the first bedroom. Ooh, this carpet is very plush. Definitely nice underneath my feet. Let's see. That's one thing I noticed about this house too. It has the wood flooring throughout, and then it has the carpet in the bedrooms. I like that. Boy, this carpet is really plush, you guys. This carpet is very plush. And of course you got your window right there. So let's check out this closet. I know it's kind of dark, so let me see if I can pull out my light here. All right, so this is your closet space. It's a nice adequate sized closet. All right, so let's go check out the other space. Well, before we check out this space, let's check out this bedroom first. So this is your second bedroom. All right, get you a view from another angle. It's a very nice sized bedroom. All right, let's check out the closet right here. Very nice, adequate size closet space. All right, let's check out this area. This area really caught my attention. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. You have a built-in desk over here. Look at this built-in desk. I've never seen this before. Look at that. That's definitely different. And it has storage cubbies over the desk too. And you also have a transom window to bring in a natural light. I really like that. Definitely different. Take a look at the drawer space. But you know, this is what they have built in right here. Of course, you know, if you don't like it, I imagine you could definitely opt out of it, and you can always put something else there. It's really up to you. Of course, you have your electric box. I like the fact that they hide the electric box behind this cabinet right here. This will be your central heat and air furnace intake right there. So that's for the whole house. Okay, let's look over here real quickly. I think this will be the utility room. Yeah, this is your utility room. Of course, you have your ceiling there. Slow pan down. Have your floor right there. Of course, this one will have the water shutoff valve too, so as well. So far, all the homes I've seen here at C&G Mobile Homes have the water shutoff valves inside the house. I really like that. And then you have space over here for a small chest size freezer. And then your water heater access will be right here behind the door. Very nice. So this is your washer and dryer area, of course, and then you have your space right there to put whatever you want. All right, so we're fixing to head to the master bedroom. But before we do, if you are new here, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit a notification bell any time I upload content like this. That way you are notified. And if you guys like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. It definitely helps to advertise this video throughout the YouTube and Rumble platforms. And I really appreciate it. Again, thank you very much. All right, let's go check out the master bedroom, you guys. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this Destiny manufactured home model. All right, so this is the master bedroom. So your master. Draw a slow pan over here. Get you a good look. Again, these carpets are very plush. They feel very good beneath my feet. You know, especially, you know, when you're doing these mobile home tours, you know, you're doing a lot of walking, a whole lot of walking. So, you know, it definitely helps. Definitely helps. All right, let's get y'all a view from another angle here. Another view of the bedroom. Okay. One more view and then we'll check out the master bathroom. And then of course, this is another look of the master bedroom. All right, let's look at the master bath in the closet. So this is your master bathroom right here. Look, the first thing you see right here is your 2 double sinks. You have your mirrors right there. You have your recessed lighting. Of course, you have your 2 sinks. You have your cabinets right here, cabinet space. And of course you have your drawer space right there too. So And you got plenty of space on the vanity right here too. And before I forget, behind the door, you also right here, you'd have your racks, your hooks for bath towel or, you know, bathrobe. And of course, you would have your garden tub right here. So, very nice garden tub. Very, very nice garden tub. And then you have the transom window over it too. And then you have a standard size window as well. All right, so let's look right here. This will be your shower. Slow pan down. Okay, so and of course this is real hand laid tile. So, and then you have your standard Rainmaker shower head or waterfall shower head. Some people call it Rainmaker, some people call it waterfall. And of course this will be your closet. Here, let me get my light because I know it's dark. Let's see here. There we go. So this is your master closet. You got plenty of space in here. Plenty of space. Then of course you got the cabinet space right there. So I don't know how well you can see that. But yep, so it gives you an idea. And last but not least, you would have your commode. Your water closet, so, or toilet closet. It's out of sight, out of mind if you don't want to look at it. And all you have to do is simply shut the door. And there you have it. All right, guys, well, let's go back into the living room and let's close out the video. All right, you guys, so this was a Destiny home model. I'm not exactly sure of the name of it, but as I find out, I will definitely put it throughout the video. But this is definitely made by Destiny Homes. So if you like this home, or if you want to know more about this home, the dealership's contact information will be down in the description box. This home is located at C&G Mobile Homes in Lake City, Florida. They will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. And definitely feel free to come in person and look at this home. The dealership's address will be right down below as well. So that will conclude the tour of this home, you guys. This is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central source for manufactured modular home tours and more. I will see you all in the next video. You all take care. Have a wonderful day.